Yeah, hey mnandi. Hey mara kwenzakalani eSouth Africa?
Hey, I know, good rave.
Ah,
I will be.
kubi ne? Yazi
I will be.
ngisho ngiyibona le ye-looting. Izolo ngithi ngivula i-Twitter Instagram ngibona uJuke noLerato Khanyako baphasi phezulu. Kwenzekani?
Lerato Khanyako no Jubu.
No Juke ngiyibona izolo.
Sengiyibona.
Hey.
Izolo network ngusime ingasi right kahle.
Bebaphasi phezulu.
Mebayenzani bona ke ngicocela.
Asingene ehlelweni soyibona. Lo Chano Paul Kulcha umalumela komtshana ngungolosithathu omuhle sinechutu hle namhlanje cover no DJ LadyT, dancing DJ, entertaining DJ, club DJ, spiritual DJ. Ngakubiza ukuthi basho nje ngumechanic angisazi ukuthi DJ one DJ wento zonke nje. Hey manje is Helem Production or Helen?
It's Helem Production.
From Helem Production evereka kuhle korone yokuzithabisa. DJ ngibawa ulochise ama-viewers wethu. Mike.
Hello. Marakubi siyahleka mara kunzima basekhaya abahleli isitele abangaphula ama-mall abazimamele aba-understandayo ukuthi the values zama-mall yini zisiza kangangani. Imagine having to go to Pretoria uyothenga impuphu. Imagine ngapha ugogo uyohola igrant ayi-1 mele kukhishwe kuyo yona le mali leyo ayothenga impuphu ePretoria. And ePretoria uyithenga ndawanaphi ngoba ke kushile nakhona. So ngithanda ukuthi
I can't even get it kwesitolo. Yo, that's difficult.
No, this is sad. Ngithanda ukuthi abantu bala ekhaya singayijoin into enjalo. Sikhambele kude nayo ngoba siyosola ene izinto zizamuva kakhulu la. Bokuthoma abalungise ePitori. Meaning ukuthi sokugibela ke sePitori sokuthenga uburotho.
Wona ke tarengwe.
So that's my real greatest worry. Kakhulu futhi. However, I mean, I'm not really honestly affected by this situation, but definitely now having to see ama-garage kugcwele abantu bafuna ukuydraw imali, I'm also part of that. So it's a problem automatically. Isono. So I'm pledging to people ukuthi is protecting this situation ingasiveleli thina. Thina ngcono sistake ngokuthi ini ayikho but not ngoba senze ngabumi.
Yaqinisile. Asikene phezulu bacocele nje ukuthi DJ LadyT umhle kangaka siphalaphala ehle kangaka ngibani ubelethela ku
LadyT LadyT uDumi igama lakhe yazimara kahle uDumi ngihlala ngingwala kaNdebele kuhle but isiNdebele asivuki kuhle anyway.
No khuluma ilimo comfortable ngala ngwawa
yabo. And then ekhaya kula iKwaga ngikhule ekhaya kusema10 la iKwaga la. And then obviously ngeke ngathi mangiceda mangimatriculate I followed my love ngahamba ngayofuna music eGoli. So I fell in love with the trap of music. Ngangena ku music kanjalo nje. Ukuthi kwenzakaleni and how did I manage to skim the D's eGoli? Akusinhlanhla. It's actually not undermining myself ukuthi ngibuya kaNdebele and having to think ukuthi angifani nabo. No, it's impossible. I had made a decision ukuthi ngiyeGoli ngilandele music only to find out ukuthi nabo bavele eGoli musa. Bavele bo Eastern Cape abobusiswa, abompume bavela le Durban, abo nokwazi bavela le Durban, abo Heavy K bavela le Mthatha. Uyabona ukuthi nathi asiveli khona. So you need a courage to understand ukuthi ithi ngiye ngiyofacea umhlaba and starting a new life in another place but following your dream at the same time. For me, I navigated myself into music and I felt good music is really moving in eGoli. So I went to eGoli.
Ngiyazibuza ukuthi bomrazana onjani lo sakhulako mhlambe nongasathatha ngamehlo engcondo phela manje ngiyakubona
yazi mina ngicale ngokwenza ama-event maqaleni kahle kahle. I was making events
That's a young girl. Usakhula, ngicabanga.
Ngisakhula, I mean, I
Ukhula
hosted over 15,000 people as saying at some point. Ngayenza ama-event, ngahost abotira, you know, all the complications zokuyenza ama-events. I've been there, I've done that, I've got the ticket. And then after mase ngirealize ukuthi, oh, so lama DJ bahola so. How about I try that? Nami ngibona ukuthi angeke ngihole mina-ke in exchange. So my love actually developed from there.
Ukhuthazwa bobani by that time ukuthi mhlambe ngaphandle ukuthi mhlambe ubona abo DJ like female DJs abakhuthaza ukuthi mhlambe nawe uzibone phakathi ku-industry?
To be quite honest, no, there's none. At that point, mina mangiqala abo DJs bebafew nabo zinto. I don't think ukuthi she was there. I don't know, guys, but angazi, angisakhumbuli that part of abo zinhle. Enye into futhi engenza ukuthi ngikhubazeke emoyeni kakhulu ukuthi singifikile ngahlale, I don't know, yazi lezi zinto angazi sebenza ngenhlanhla or yini ukuze ubreak in angazi ukuthi yini, bathi patient, but there's no patience. I've ran out of that. I'm no longer patient or passionate about being LadyT. That's how the industry will actually make you feel. Izokulimaza. Beka-ke mina, when I planned ukuthi I wanted to be the biggest thing, Mzansi, what, and I did not get enough gigs. I actually ended up getting international gigs. However, mhlambe thina singabantu sifuna izinto zenyama esizibonayo ukuthi lezi sizifunayo, kanti uNkulunkulu una better plans for wena. So having to be, if personally I would be stuck in a foreign country, I would know exactly what to do. From Kandebele, having to fly in and out of South Africa with under the courtesy of free things. I mean, it's when you're getting booked, you bagnikeza flight ticket, bagnikeza hotel, bagnikeza all the touring around during the day, bagnikeza everything. You feel like a superstar basically. Do you understand? So having ukuthi ngithole into enjalo ngento encane kangaka basho uyopressa lapha bese you fly and you get into another country and fala Portuguese, and now you've made your name, and people like they like, for example, they call me Maluka DJ in Angola. Maluka means a crazy DJ from South Africa. So I ended up fala Portuguese boku. You know, it's amazing. Like angazi ukuthi ngibonge bani, but yeah.
Yeah.
You know, when I went to Portugal, I could match the language, say Angola, with the Portugal. And when I would perform in their clubs, I would also ngizobuza those people engibajwayele ukuthi okay, now into so issue kanjani mangifuna uku-entertaining crowd, and then and you know, it's Maluka, it's crazy. I'm telling you.
Before singena le Angola, ngizwile ukuthi ngingabukela one of your interviews kuthiwa you are one of the biggest DJs e-Angola.
Yeah.
Before singena ngifuna ungitshele ukuthi ungena njani ku-Helem Production, and like your career yakhula njani, like wasebenza nabo bani ukuze mhlambe ufike ku-Helem Production up until you release your first single or album.
Oh, okay. Yazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu akaphi ngesandla, ne? And I'm gonna give you a very honest answer so that somebody out there understand ukuthi inhlanhla or it's called being at the right place at the right time. Do you understand what I'm saying? So uNkulunkulu usebenza ngenye indlela, man, guys. Usebenza ngenye indlela ecakile. Okay, it happened ukuthi I was staying with abomaporisa, abo Klepu, abo Baxi. We used to call that house Guru House, basically. So I remember John Helder is an international manager yami yalana kodwa uhlala la eSouth Africa. So he came to endlini yabo maporisa studio, and then when he got there, and I like he was greeting us, and then they told him ukuthi I'm a DJ, and then 2 minutes later I was like, oh, you're a DJ, and I was like, yeah, and tomorrow we're shooting an Angolan music video, do you wanna come? And I was like, yeah, I wanna come. So the following day I went, and as I was playing there, he was like, "So you're a DJ?" And I was like, "Yeah, yes, I'm a DJ." I'm like, "Listen, I'm organizing a gig for you to Angola next week." And I was like, "I una mangalo." I was like, "I una mangalo." Mina, ne-Angola. Babe. And I was like, "I una mangalo." Hayi kwadlula Monday, Tuesday, yangena i-call baba. And I was like, "Okay, so I want you to send me your passport." Ngine passport ngaleso sikhathi ngoba nginayo.
Hayi mntazane kwaga.
Baba ke, baye mina. And then angina passport. And then 2 minutes later, I'm like, "Okay, angina passport. Okay, fine." Ngayilungisa indaba leyo. Ngathola ivisa yami kahle. Mangiceda ukuthola ivisa, ngalungisa yonke into. Then we went to Angola. Now, uMpumi usaqala ke ngaleso sikhathi usesenengoma eyi-1. I believe ukuthi that was Somandla. Wena le yenze no Pop Easy. No, wena le yenze no Heavy K. So, ngaleso sikhathi nayo simbashile like ku-rave. Uyabona mos. And then hayi sinoMpumi sihambeke naye angimjoyelanga. Kusho ukuthi now the management is putting us together. Ingoma kaMpumi meyishisa ngale e-Angola. When I got to Angola, first night ngadlala ihash.
Liva, ngicabanga.
You know what my manager said to me? He was like, "You must take this spirit so you are outside the country. And then you must also understand the fact that you are not here, my DJ, by mistake." And the club owner pulled me out of the booth. And he said, "Listen, muito obrigado," meaning thank you for coming. And then give another DJ a chance. I was so embarrassed. And Friday, it was the first club. And then the second club, I had to sit down, guys. I had to sit down, ngihleli ngaphansi lapha ngase-swimming pool in that special hotel. And then ngahlala phansi, and I realized ukuthi no man, I'm in Africa. 1. Number 2, what is it that they love? Africans, when it comes to music, bathanda ama-drum, bathanda, you know, kuba busy nje whenever you perform. Kuba another atmosphere. The second night, I came up with an idea, which, okay, I'm in Angola, and there's no turning back, and now I need to find a strategy on how to present that energy, because I don't have a drumist right now. So I went on, stage, effects, and then I was playing with my hair, ama-effect okhona mekahamba ne-energy, and everything was just blending and coming together as one. And the videos, people did not dance that particular night. They were just looking at me. They were just I could not, they couldn't dance. Like there was no way that they could dance. Ngaqala kanjalo Helem Production with that particular night. So that's how I was called Maluka DJ, a crazy DJ from SA.
So la ku Helem Production unabo bani uyithome uwedwa or mhlambe ubereka nabo kuMpumi la?
No, Helem Production kunabo Mpumi, kunabo Xoli Emu, kunabo Yasira Bells, now she's hot, hey. Kunabo Bruno, you know, there are a couple of artists. And then what the manager does is he has immobilized his connections very well. So having to have an album, and it's me now I've got an album. An album yami, it's inabo Toshi. If you remember, Toshi is the one that did a song with Oyenze ingoma na unople coffee. Inabo Mpumi, inabo Tabia is the one that did some songs with Black Motion as well. Inabo Xoli Embo nalabo, find my way to you. You know, that's inabantu phakathi. So yeah, the connections are galo. So sengisebenza nabantu abaningi kakhulu.
So kungicocele nje mhlawumbe happiness owabanayo after ukuthola your first album man kwaba njani izinto ukuba ne-album yakho yokuthoma man le ngeyakho man ngeyakho kwaba njani and
and i-happiness engike ngaba nayo it's when I released my own song and I did things on my own and I plugged in go TV, go Channel O, go MTV Base. I then realized because mina mangikhula I wanted to be a yellow bone for some reason. I felt ukuthi izinto bazithola easy. By doing that, I still saying when I achieved all those things on my own, that thing only told me ukuthi man, who am I to come to Jose and mobilize things like this for myself? Then I mean it means that I'm capable, you know. So I learned this thing until me push enough to a point whereby then somebody had to pick me up as well and move with me. But it has to start with you in order for another person to consider that you are worth it.
I was listening to your song like Etisabella. Yo.
La. Let me tell you about Sabella. I wasn't at the studio when they were recording the song, right? I need to have got years Mr. Egoli and pushing Life music, and eventually I started being not well, and when I started not being well, you know, and anginandaba ukuthi omunye umuntu uqabangani or uzothini or if you are ithini manje uqabangani ngami lezi zinto zikhona. Nobody had to tell me ukuthi hamba uye endaweni so hamba uvele uqala ukuqhaqhazela ungasakhona nokulala phezu kombhede uhameke. Nobody ever told me that. It became to a point I came to a point ukuthi mangihlele emidreni mangibheka phansi bengasakhona ukufacea ukubheka phansi. It became hectically so amazingly angazi disturbing. So when I couldn't sleep anymore eGoli, I packed my bag and I was like ithi ngibuyele ekhaya mhlambe ngapha ngiyazama ngaye bazalwanini bangithandazela hayi kwafana yazi ngoba right yathi yazi lokhu kusileya ngithi mina mntanami ayikho into ozoyenza. So Sabella, it's a most wonderful song that I play ukuthi yazi Sabella izizwe ziyakubiza and you cannot run away from that. I can't, like it's impossible. I cannot run away from the fact ukuthi ngeke ngahlushwa amadlozi ngabuye ekhaya, and I wanted to figure out what was going on and I ignored it. Ngahlala and when I started losing most of the things, my businesses especially, and I realized ukuthi yonke into yama, and I had to honor my ancestor lo ongihluphayo. So it's bad.
Yeah, bengisazokubuza ngathi calling yakho ukuthi iza njani, but njengoba soyendlalile so ngiyabona ukuthi is something serious into fanele
no, it is. It humbled me. That one I'm telling you.
And I'm proud of you.
No, I'm really honestly shocked. Yes, yeah, I'm honestly shocked. Uguti, I was finally able to post about it and then and give it away as it is and say Uguti kenzakalile and there's nothing I can do. It's hard Uguti when I close my eyes and then 2 minutes later ngibona umuntu ngikhona ukumtshela the exact things.
Hey, ngangitsheli mina. Right?
Only when you authorize me to. Trust me.
No, bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi ubani behind production of your music, because music quality yakhona is so top notch.
Behind angithi mina izinto bese ngiyenzela management. So basically if the management the Helem Production house, if it decide to buy a bit for me, they bought the bit for me, and then if they decide to produce something in house, they call different producers who come with different elements, who come with different mastering, and then babuye bafake ingoma together, and then it happens. Yeah, so however, it's me now having to sit and say no, into so ngifuni, into so yeah, ngicela ufakele yabo. So
yeah, but I think it's time good now. So in production producer so ngakacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ungenelele khona, because if unendlebe yokuzwa, I think you can do it.
Oh no. But you know, to be honest, I'm no longer into music. You know why?
I don't know.
It's because I understand at some point ngicabanga ukuthi ukukhula kanti hayi cha mhlamba kusukukhula. Mangise ngiqala ngihlushwa abantu baphansi ngithi mangigibele stage ngiqale manje sengiqhaqhazele ngivale kumoya ngiyahameka mele ngiqinisele and pretend around people but maybe right now it's just that kusese lockdown. I'm not sure whether the results since I'm honoring and ngihamba indlela le mebavele bayifuna kimi. I'm not sure ukuthi ngisazokhona ukudlala na or ngisazokhona ukuyifila lento le ngithi ngiyayifila. And another challenge like haya my energy has never been displayed fully in terms of ukudlala ngeinwele, ukudlala like performer when I play. I've always been uncomfortable in terms of giving back that energy because I still feel like laba bazokhuluma kakhulu, laba bazothi ayibhemile lona, laba bazothithithi. I've never played ngeinwele zami around KwaNdebele. They don't know. They can only go to Google and see how I play basically whenever I'm away. If I'm in Botswana, if I'm in Cape Town, if I'm in Durban, then I'm myself. But then whenever I was home, I would never play the way I play me. So it's funny. I don't know why, but it happened like that.
Everything is about right. And you should so spiritual healing. Everything go to the key. Your music wakuzopela endleleni right. Asipele ngomende Isabella, the lady man over vocal.
Oh, Tabia. Yeah. I think you definitely listened to the song. You did. You did.
Like I was like being lalela, but it man like nga break and no, I think I'll let this one.
Utabia, I believe when they recorded the song, because I was here at home, and when they recorded the song, but she doesn't write. Agabali maga record. Did you? Now I think you have picked up this song was never written. It was spiritually coming from somewhere, emafini and coming down. Yeah. But then you know what? And another song engithanda futhi ka Toshi phakathi kwale album Toshi le ethi Nqeba ithi ngibambelele kum or kuwe mara nginenqeba like ngiseyinhlungwini and emotive lalela futhi iyabuya ithi like he's narrating by refing the song ubhlungu lobo ukuthi hey like she wants to give up but then she can't breathe, she can't carry on, she can't. Like she's fighting this atmosphere so ukuthi akakhoni like Inqeba it's another song that I love. Lezi zinye lezi cishe ngiqome mina featuring uMpumi ngiyazithanda because yeah, what a voice as well.
So
yeah, Mpumi can believe.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukhulume something ukuthi mhlawumbe KwaNdebele maybe you're not also big kangako but mina bangicala umsebenzi wakho man like always my gigs, Metro FM, you're doing well. I think Kusesen has something to offer to music industry, and I like you're good. And ngahlangana nawe Soweto, Kumpule ngahlangana nawe Soweto, Mzansi, quite a music award. I was like, yeah, nangumkhaya, and it was the first time we meet. I think it's something to offer to music industry, like seriously. You are big. Angifuni ukuthi ucala ukuthi basho ufuna ukudunyiswa ngapha but do your thing. Like the way ungakhona like uhlala ungakhona umoya yeah.
What you just said right now. What you just said right now, Umalwela, that's what he was saying. Remember, I normally submit mix wami ku Metro FM for Saturdays. So Umalwela was asking me ukuthi uplanani kahle kahle, and I was like, yo mina ngisempumalanga in this place depressed at some point and ngicabanga ukuthi I'm gonna give it a rest. And it was like, but I put you in, I gave you some slot ku Metro FM And that thing should also tell you something. It's not because I don't have amanye choices ukuthi nginganikeza abanye abantu opportunity. You just crossed my mind at some point with where are you? So music still follows you. Like right now, having to get this interview, for me, it means a lot. It means a lot. Trust me. And I really appreciate that you considered me to actually come and have this honest conversation. And when I asked you, Wuti, what are we going to be talking about? And you said, don't even prepare. And I'm having an amazing time with you right now.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Umbuzo omunye ukuthi bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi how's music industry? As wena uthitelene khulu nabantu abakho music industry esifisa ukuthi singakhuluma nabo abobusiswa amena bompumi siyafisa ukuba nabo sithuthe nabona uthitelene nabo. How is music industry kunjani nje kuba around bona like this? Summarize the music industry yesela.
At first I thought ukuthi yazi mangakuthatha ngikise move ngisesemncane. There was this thombe sakambuzana basibeke lapha eplaza esikhulu so uyakhumbula?
Yes.
Ngiyasikhumbula sinye isithombe siku-billboard ekulu so.
Billboard. Yes.
Before ama 2000 asifikela ba.
Ngiyasikhumbula. Ngathi esinye nje sikwamhlanje.
Esilaphe.
Ngiyakhumbula kuba kwezisafaka ama-billboards la ngikhumbula kuhle my friend.
Yo, wena isithombe lesa ngathi ngiyehla ikatshibana besakhamba ngamakatshibana ngalezo nkathi. Ngayehla ikatshibana. Mangithi ngehla ikatshibana ngibona isithombe lesa ngathi one day ngifuna ukuzibona ngifana nalona. Mengingamazi sambiza ngalo mera besazi ukuthi umbuzana like. Ngasibheka amacada ngadlula. Hayi mara ngaleso sikhathi bengisamba shekhule sinino raga. Bengazi na mhlambe ngihlanye. Hayi. Shabu. 2 minutes later sengiyakhula. And then mara it was difficult to join the group. If you find them known already, there are things and statements that they talk about that you wouldn't get the full story. There are conversations that they are so uncomfortable to have them around you. They wouldn't talk about their love life around you. They wouldn't talk about their upside downs around you. They would even send you ice at some point.
Ngiyayazi ngiyayizwisisa into ekhuluma ngayo.
Uyafola and i-trust yabo and baba bakufunde from ngepace yabo. You cannot force them because if you force them you become a fan. And they hate fans around them because some fans are dangerous. Kuzophuma story city a source set. Only to find that it was a fan. I remember the first time when I went to Oskido's house, the studio let's messaging. I went there, bengakabi kumjwayela ubusiswa ngaleso sikhathi. Bengisajwayela bomaporisa, bengisahlala nabendlini. I went to Oskido's house, like, okay, ngiyangena egate. Ngiyazi nepin, bengisolo ngiyazi ipin yokuthi ufona ngunumber guy. But then I was bengazange ke ngiye khona. And I went mangifike egate, okay, ngiyohlala nabanye abantu bebase studio. And then I dialed the number like, okay, manga, and I was like, LadyT, oh, LadyT, sure, then. You know? And I was like, how? LadyT. Ngangena ke kanjalo. I bangifika lapha I met uNokwazi, I met Professor. Bebahleli vele kuyachiliwa musema studio yazi ama studio musikuyachileka vele kuba right. I met uLady X.
The vibe.
Yeah, it's a vibe nje kuyaculwa. They're motivated by the drive of the music. Like kumnandi. And swimming pool nyana nje lapha. So not ekalawa ngizakutshela ke lapho. It's another story. It was just ungena phakathi studio uhlale, then it was home eventually. I knew each and every corner of that house. But then ngikutshela nga the biggest name Oskido. And then I met uTebogo, umfazi ex-wife kaChristos manje. And then mebahlala vele endlini kaChristos, and I'm like, oh, you know what, I like your drive, I like your spirit, where do you stay? And I'm just, no, ngihlala Country View. We were still staying at Country View at that moment, or a Fountain View, I don't remember, between the two places. And then I was like, yeah, you must come visit me. How I vele girl ngimskime sibe right. They were owning Ishakuma by then, bano Christos. And then 2 minutes later, I discovered ukuthi ungumfazi kaChristos. But mase ngiya kuye endlini yakhe ngithola uChristos, ngiyampela ngithi mara lo baba lo ngiyamazi lo. You know when it's so unbelievable ukuthi kanjani ubani. So uTebogo was at Oskido's house because she's the best friend the ex-wife ka Oskido Ukibi. So I was a bit close with Ukibi, and then Tebogo was visiting Ukibi. So that's how Tebogo fell in love with me and invited me to her house. Then when I went to her house, then Tola vele Christos. How Christos young Tebogo yamtshela she's a DJ. Okay, fine. There is this conference siyenzayo a pioneer. You must come to it. They'll be giving away a sound system, CDJs, whatever the case would be. And then next week's Friday. Then I went to the conference and we were given a sound system for free. How? When yes, information if we got like that.
Mara vele ufundisa ngibani uDJ into ezoke nje uDJ ayikubudisi kangaka.
Mina ngafundisa usyndicate yasijamani baba. Usyndicate nguye wangifundisa ukudj no Duda. Like uDuda maybe neTasha Pnyana there and there. But umuntu ongifundisa ukudj ongikhombisa ukuthi iphathini leli ngelani usyndicate. I don't want to lie. I will never forget those days whereby somebody who obambe umuno wami athi pressa la ngizokubetha wena nepressa la tumi ngapressa la press play.
Asicoceke ngokuthi music industry esela Africa ubona njani currently hamba njani.
Mina, to be honest, I'm happy ukuthi the new faces have popped in, because I guess I've been wondering ukuthi, okay, I've been trying and struggling to get into the industry, and then solo rotate kubantu abayi-1 in terms of acting and being music. Rotate kubantu abayi-1 kuma radio. They don't want to play music abantu abangabazi, but eventually amapiano kids, I know bayibreakile record in terms of saying sizongena ngenkani, sizophusha, sizonithatha nina laba abadala sinibekelele or nizasijoyina ngenkani, and then thina we're taking over. I'm honestly, I would really honestly love to humble myself and say ngithulele isigcoko bafethu. Ngilwile like ukuthi ngene. When you open the TV right now, you see new faces, you see new fresh blood, you see new talent, new sound, and however the laba bakudala bayafogola, and it's not sesenenkani. I myself nami nginenkani yokungena kulento yepiano. Angikhona vele angikhoni nje.
Yeah, mara vele ngivale ngithola abanye like bathola ku-easy ukuthi umuntu bekabethi igcomu maseyaphaza ungena kupiano, ipiano meyiphuma kodwa yongena kenye. How easy is that? Like why bakhona ukwenza into ezifana like why not?
No, but then you can name the few. You can only name uMaporisa, guys. Think about, you can name uMaporisa noNokwazi. I can see uNokwazi also identify that gap ukuthi angene. Let's go back to Abokoli M. Sibuyele woMpume. Abakhona akakhona uMpume ukungena ku-piano. She just had to let it go, let it be. Like, is there any song that you know now, piano?
Yeah, uMaporisa used to kill hip hop. uMaporisa wayibulala ikwaito, uMaporisa wayibulala igcomu, uMaporisa abulala ipiano. DJ Cleo nayo ngomunye okhonayo ungena ku-kwaito, wangena ku-hip hop, wangena bakhona abanye abantu, but abanye bakhona. Like if ukhona
I guess this thing comes in from way deep down there than the eyes of a human being. It comes from spiritually in there. What you really want to narrate to the people. Ukuthi kahle kahle ufuna ukusenda uphi message. If umoya wakho or idlozi lakho lingavumi ukuthi you're gonna go to that direction, uzozenza zibe 20 sizohlala still yas.
Umpuma angayi kupiano mana, umpuma right now. Yazi umpuma right now ngale beat heavy K. Vele mina vele kuya ngami ube vele bano heavy K. baba my partners so I'm producer like hlale ku as in yeah I piano no.
And I would also love you. I would also love to hook you up, Naine, so that you can have this interview more next week Wednesday. Yeah, I want to that I know I would explain it politely.
Phela last time ngikhuluma naye zange ngikhulume naye like ngasaba phela kubhisi eze kurally amabhonjo bycars aperforma
Yeah. Because sometimes when you distract their space, they feel, yeah, you're one of the fans and you came for business and the passion that you want to narrate or you bring it out.
Uthi ubuyile kwaNdebele uthi kwaNdebele and une-business. Tell us more about your business owenza kwaNdebele.
La kwaNdebele ngibhizi ngeyimoto, you know. Ngibhizi ngomoya wami. Ngibhizi ngokusiza abantu there and there. Ngisasaba manje ngisasana the thing ukuthi yimi vele kuyenzakala, it's unbelievable. Okay, and then ngibhizi ngokudiagnose imoto. Like now I'm off to diagnose some truck. Ngiyaroka nje yazi ngibhizi ngisasupply nokusupply yabona amathenda nyana lawo, you know mina ngiqale lapho vele life yami. I've never worked but yet I've driven all the cars that I had dreamed of ukuthi ngifuna ukuba nemoto so bese ngiyayithenga bese ngiyayidrive bese ngiyithengise yabo. So I love cars right now and I've got also a passion yokudla, you know. I was la plaza lami ngibhizi ngipenda some shop. I want to sell more experienced sauces, chicken and chicken braai, you know, chicken dust. And for me, omunye umuntu uzodlula lapha ngibona how LadyT uyapenda lapha, you know how they are, you know how people are.
Hey, marabantu.
And that mentality on its own, you forgetting, you know, Baba, you forgetting ukuthi she might be adding on what she has. Do you understand? Abantu they are a bit of a problem, and I believe ukuthi since ngikhula so sengiba nenkani ukuthi anginandaba.
Ngathi mangenza i-music video lapha one of my music videos ngenza lapha I met this guy wathi ngathi intwana yakho in lapha kwaSpanyol lapha.
Yeah.
KwaSpanyol, yeah, this guy I think ngathi uya owning ama-room, wangithe ukuthi uya owning ama-room lapha kwaSpanyol.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nale yama room like business yakho na.
Oh no, we had that business. It was left by our mother, so we sold it. Ngase ngingena ku trucking business, right? Ngathenga i-truck lalayisha amalahle, and then ngavula i-spares seyimoto, ngithengisa ama-parts ama-used nama-new. So right now I sell those things. Ngendlela ngaziphatha le moto ngakhona, it's so amazing. Ngiyathengisa mawufuna whatever uyifunayo, then I sell it to you. So sengi-understand ama-parts. But the most unfortunate thing ukuthi ngithengisela from my house. You know why? I'm trying to understand imoto in and out. I-pipe elincane before I can go and say ngizoshiya umuntu nebhizinisi yami mangibuya la ngingazi ukuthi kulahleka ama-pipe ayingaki.
Ngiyazwisisa la. So is this calling yakho uthomani ukuyi-practice or something eyenza ungathi uyasaba manje?
Hayi wena, ngiyayenza vele ngiyasebenza. But I'm not charging anybody. I got the figure low. Trust me.
Angazi vaze ngibone la ku social media la ngibone kunama-fake news amaningi wabantu abazenza ngathi bane-calling benzani basebenza ngabantu. How's your take on that? Uzizwa njani ngoba?
Like you know, like I said, ngithi mangibona abantu bathi what ngithi oh my god, this can't be, like oh my god uyaperforma, you know, like uthola sihleba sithi hey baba sisi wakho kanti yenza so kanti yenzakalani naye angasarasi. I used to think ukuthi yeah, it was one of those. However, bakhona laba, especially laba bathi bakuthembisa imali, bathi ufaka imali engaka wenza imali engaka. Hey, Jesus. Baleka ijafathi kama o tsamai 2 o tsamaye. The reason why I'm not charging, it's because this thing, it's like I'm waking from a dream. Ngathi mengilele menginobuthongo okunye okude kakhulu ngilele, and then right now ngiyaphaphama, and this is what is happening, and it's becoming a reality. And then when I close my eyes, after ngiqeda ukuthandaza phambi kwamakhandlela, and then 2 minutes later, if you are next to me, I will definitely tell you some stuff. So angaka understand ukuthi okay fine, is like kwenzakalani, like is you know, hence I haven't got to a point whereby I would tell somebody ukuthi yeah, 200 or 100 rand. No, ngizokunceda mahalo uhambe bese uyabuya.
Oh, nena ngiyakuzwisisa lapha. Ake singene ku-music industry yakwaNdebele, like niberekisana kanjani nima-DJs wakwaNdebele, khulukhulu ama-female DJs or namanye nje ama-artist?
I don't know. Jesus, that question, no. Lisa. Lisa. Up to so far, won't come a question on Guzawana, so please don't put me out of it.
Okay, sikhulume nje nge-industry yakwaNdebele, familiar kangangani ngayo, bobani obalalelako, babani oberekisana nabo?
I'm a biggest fan of Syndicate, with the kind of music that he plays and the way he... No, he plays hip hop, Kwaito, he's versatile. And then I'm a fan of Mental Deep because he reminds me of the drive that I had when I was young as him. I'm 35, man, I'm a granny now. And then Pop Easy, I could say Pop Easy, he tells a story of, he's a legend, and it's for us to acknowledge him as a legend. He's a legend.
He's a legend.
No, he is my legend. Yeah, no, Pop is my legend, and I cannot hide it. I cannot hide that from anyone. That one is a legend. Even if Pop is angafika lokanjani eklabhini afika angayidlali piano, we will all follow because he's been there, you know. Pop is a legend, and he's still fighting towards the awareness yokuthi music kumele ube kanje, and kumele kube kanjalo, kumele sizakale sonke and what's not, but he's my legend.
And sikhumbula ukuthi not everyone who piano, some of us in the tasifuna ukuzinto music omnari, not piano, sometimes just
angidlali piano, ngidlala very old school. Yabo, ngidlala old school. If again it came to a push, then ngizodlala my Afrotech, because that's what I play. And then ipiano langihlula
Afrotech le musika bengayazi ifande wani, ngizwa ngoCairo manje base ngizoyizwa engomeni lenyezi music ofana ukuthi music omnandi.
Yeah,
you can play anytime, anywhere.
Yeah, Cairo has been into the same countries that I've been, and they listen to Afrotech a lot. Yeah, a lot. Even if, Botswana, I would play my Afrotech, 30 minutes of Afrotech, and I would play a commercial in South Africa. However, on my first gigs, was at Angola, I used to play my South African music. And like go to my work and Google DJ LadyT and see there. You'll see they respond very well. Music. Music uzongithatha unibeke endaweni A1 nonke nikhuluma ilanguage A1.
Man, ngithokoza isikhathi sakho man. Before ukhamba vane ngibabuza abantu abaningi before bakhambe ehlelweni ukuthi uchiswa yini le ngaphakathi kuwe ofisa ngathi unganikezwa i-platform efana nale TV or radio ukuthi uyikhulume utshela amasela Africa uyibhodle out. Vane kuyini DJ?
if okay, ngichiswa yini? Ngichiswa ukuthi I want to have a documentary that can narrate where I started, have umntana omncane having to shoot ihluza ingqondo la ngimatriculate khona ukuthi sesigangeni kangakanani and ibheke kuyiphi direction. If ubheke ihluza ingqondo icala endleleni. Uyayibona le mawula emathene kwa.
Kwaha ngiyazi kuhle. Ngiyazi ngomdlula kahle.
Mawe ngathi emaTayslope indlela yokugcina engene kwa.
Ekwaha ngiyibona.
Kunesikolo nyana lapha.
Yeah, ngiyibona esentrabeni.
Yeah. We left uya eDonaldton or uya emaTayslope. Ku right uyo face ipilo. So mina ngithe mangiphuma to that small atmosphere layer, that rural place layer esematheni. I chose my right and I'd never looked back. Zangibuyele emuva ngisale ngakhamba. So I want to start it right there and tell it. And my first pictures when I hanged around the biggest name. Second picture when I hanged around the biggest name. Videos related to the same documentary and telling the story until now. And then I conclude my deal in the music. My first pictures in Portugal, my first pictures in Angola, my posters, those are the memories that I have that are with me, that I can compile and put them together and tell a different story in visually so. And now being like I want to tell that interesting story. And then bese ngivale lapho ngithi okay manje sengifuna ukuqala umndeni ngibe nezingane ke njengoba senginomuzi ke wami ke ngizakhela wona ngamandla wami. Angithoshi iqiniso.
Yeah, uthoshi awureka yeah. Kanye no ngiyathokoza man isikhathi sakho man. Hey, kube mnandi ukuxoxa nawe mina ngifundile litho elikhulu. I mean kancane siyafunda kale music industry ukuthi kumele sibekezele kangangani, how to approach ama-celebrities wethu. Usifundisile man, ngicabanga ukuthi abaningi bebakuzwile. Ngiyathokoza nangomuso ungalahla.
Ngiyathokoza.
Paul Kulcha umalumela bomtshana ngathi umratho ungazizatha omnyana. Sukela mina usukela somnyanya nakungimi ngini. Thokozile.